Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to use OneDrive to automate backups. Without any further ado, let's get started. Start by navigating to the bottom right part of your screen where your system tray is located. From here, you'll see the OneDrive icon. Go ahead and click on it, and a small OneDrive window will slide up on your screen. This is your quick access panel to all of OneDrive's main features and settings. Now, to use OneDrive to automate backups, look at the top right part of your OneDrive window and click on the gear icon. This icon gives you access to all the configuration options for your OneDrive account. A small context menu will appear with several options. From the list of options, click on Settings. This will open the Microsoft OneDrive Settings window, which is where you can customize how OneDrive works on your computer and manage what gets backed up automatically. From this window, start by navigating to the left-hand menu where you'll see different categories of settings. Click on Sync and Backup. This section is specifically designed to help you control which files and folders are automatically synchronized with your OneDrive cloud storage, ensuring your important data is always protected. Within the Sync and Backup settings, you'll see the Manage Backup button. Click on it, and this will let you select the folders on your computer that you want OneDrive to automatically save and back up to the cloud. This is the core feature that makes backing up your files effortless and automatic. Now, from the list of folders that appears, locate the folders you wish to automate the backup with. You'll typically see common folders like desktop, documents, and pictures listed here. These are the folders that most people want to protect. Click on the toggle button next to each folder you want to include in your automatic backup. As you toggle each one on, OneDrive will begin syncing those folders to your cloud storage, meaning any changes you make will be automatically saved online without you having to do anything manually. Once you've selected all the folders you wish to automatically backup, click on Save Changes. OneDrive will now begin the process of syncing these folders, and from this point forward, any file you add, modify, or delete in these folders will be automatically backed up to your OneDrive account. This ensures your important files are always protected and accessible from any device. And that's it. You've now set up OneDrive to automatically back up your important folders, giving you peace of mind that your files are safe in the cloud. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.